Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you an amazing code for your Firestick which you can use to get loads of apps totally for free, the ones that are not available in the official Amazon App Store by default. You'll get movie apps, TV shows, live TV, sports applications, doubt apps, or even games. I just had to blur out my screen here because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact channels available in that app store. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get all those apps to your device. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device. Here it is, open it, and here in the search bar, start typing Downloader. As you can see, Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. We click on Downloader, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we gotta go to settings. Let's do it right now. Here are the settings. Then we scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. Here we'll have to enable developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Sticks, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which just appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, and then go to install unknown apps. From here, locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. And here you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Canada right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same amazing deal. Now finally let's use Downloader safely. So we gotta open the Downloader. There it is, open it. Here on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, click on Home, and here we'll be entering a link, which will be apktime.com. So let's enter it together. Once again, it's apktime.com. Here we go, that's the link that you have to enter. Take a look at the screen and make sure to enter it exactly as you see. Make sure not to make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, the link is not going to work. After that, we have to click on Go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. Now when the website has opened, we have to scroll down a bit. Keep scrolling until we find that red APK Time word, so we click on it. Then some ad might pop up. If it does pop up, just close it. Click on Next or on the close button, depending on what kind of ad you see. So we click on Next. Now the ad should close. Yep. Now we have to scroll down a bit again. Keep scrolling until you see that official website button. We gotta click on it. And from here, click on the APK Time original APK. And now in a couple of moments the download should start. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then click on install and wait until APK Time is installed. After that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll be able to delete the installation file, as we don't need it anymore on our device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick. After that, we gotta go to settings once again, go to settings, to my Fire TV, open it. Again, developer options, install unknown apps, but this time we'll be turning that option for the APK time because we'll use it to install other applications from the internet. Now finally go to the list of apps on your device. Scroll to the bottom and there you'll find APK Time, which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way APK Time is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Once again, you can use the link below the video to get 3 months of service totally for free. Then we open APK Time application. And now when the app has opened, you'll find loads of different categories here, such as new updates, top APKs, Android TVs, animation, APK seekers, entertainment, essentials, free VPNs, gaming apps, live TV, music, players and browsers, premium services, sports, tools, torrents, and even adult applications. If you open any of those apps, let's say players and browsers, I just had to blur out my screen here because I can't really show you the exact applications available here because of YouTube rules, but there you'll find various players and browsers for your Firestick. And the same process works with any other categories. Let's say you open movies and there you'll find all kinds of movie applications. Or let's say we can go to gaming. Yep, there is a section for games as well. So we open it and here you'll be able to find different games for your Firestick. Yep, of course, do not expect to play Call of Duty on your Firestick, but if you are willing to play simple games, it is possible because you can actually connect a remote controller or a gamepad to your Firestick via Bluetooth. So that was one of the best ways to jailbreak your Firestick. It's extremely easy and fast. Just follow the guide and you'll be able to download loads of applications to your Firestick. See you next time. Bye bye.